children. Welcome back to literature class. Today I am going to start a new lesson with you all. This lesson is included in your half-yearly exam. Okay, and half-yearly exam syllabus we have already started from lesson 3 onwards in literature. Lesson 3 is completed. The chapter was all about a lesson on a question of grammar. I hope all of you have understood the lesson and you're not having any doubt. Anyways, this is a poem written by T.S. Eliot. Actually, T.S. Eliot was an American born essayist, publisher, playwright, and literary and social critic. What is the meaning of critic? Critic means a person who is always finding out drawbacks of others' writing, and his drawbacks and the technique of finding drawbacks brings a positive angle to all the writers and poets. That's why he was categorized as the critic. Now, he emigrated when he came to England in 1914 when he was at the age of 25. These things you should know about the poet because later on it will be required by you all. Anyways, let's come back to our main part of the lesson. Macavity, the mystery cat. Macavity is the name of a cat, and mystery, which is something which is always having questions, means क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, क्यों हुआ. This thing will arise. Okay, so let's see what is the work of Macavity and what blunder or something good Macavity has done. Okay, Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So, who is Macavity? Macavity is a mystery cat. That is, you cannot calculate where Macavity will remain. Sometimes he is over here, sometimes he is somewhere else. But you cannot calculate where Macavity is going to be at what time. Called the hidden paw. Hidden paw, छुपा हुआ रुस्तम, या हिंदी में जिसको कहते हैं छुपा रुस्तम. ठीक है, मीन्स द पर्सन who cannot be detected what the person or the thing is actually. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Defy change. He is the master criminal. He is a sort of criminal who can change the law. Law matlab rules, regulations which is made by the government, and Macavity changes that. Okay. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Bafflement, confusion. Scotland Yard is the name of a place. People are completely confused regarding his movements. The flying squad's despair. The flying squad is a police investigation department who is always in despair. अरे कहाँ गए, किधर है, like that. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. They rush out from their place or from their destination along with Macavity, but when they reach at the point of investigation, they find Macavity is not there. Where is he? Nobody knows. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Oh, Macavity, you are something different. Nobody is as like you. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. All the laws, all the rules, all the regulations which has been made by human beings is broken by Macavity. And he has also broken the law of gravity. Okay. His power of levitation, law of gravity, he is breaking the law of gravity means what? He is not always remaining in the floor. He is not always remaining in the ground. He is not only sticked up with the earth. Law of gravity means earth pulls everything towards it, but McGravity sometimes lies in the air. Let's see how it is possible. His powers of levitation would make the fakir stay. Levitation, the power of flying high up in the sky. That is the power of levitation. When you have the capacity of flying high up in the sky, आकाश में उड़ना. Fakir means, fakirs are the some people, ritualistic people, religious people who believe in God and who have some supernatural powers with them. And when you reach the scene of crime, McGravity is not there. Finally, after doing all that, when you reach at the criminal scene, at the scene where the crime has taken place, you will not find McGravity over there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. If you want to really find him, you have to see in the basement. Underground में जो room रहता है उसको कहते हैं basement room. You need to search over there or up in the air. Probably he's flying up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, McGravity is not. But you will not find McGravity exactly at the place where the crime has taken place. McGravity is a ginger cat. He is a very tall and thin. Ginger. Ginger मतलब अदरक. His body color is like the ginger, color of the ginger. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. उसकी आंखें घुसी रहती हैं हमेशा अंदर की तरफ. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. हमेशा उसको देख के लगता है कि वो कुछ सोच रहा है. He is finding something. कुछ गड़बड़. He always tries to smell something wrong and tries to find out something wrong. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Coat, upper part of the cat, is dusty. धूलो मोला लगे रोचे. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers, uncombed. संभाला हुआ नहीं है. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Like this. He moves his head. He swings his head like this, as if a snake moves. Okay? And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. जब कभी भी तुम उसको देख के सोचो कि अरे बाप रे ये तो सो रहा है, नहीं, वो जगा हुआ है. He pretend to be in sleep. McGravity, there is no one like McGravity. Nobody is so snubby, so clever, and so what should I say? So intelligent like McGravity. For he is a fine and feline shape, a monster of deplarity. He is a faint and feline shape. He is a evil-like spiritual thing, but he belongs to a family of cat and monster of depravity, wicked. शैतानी बुद्धि चल रही है दिमाग में. अच्छा तुम शैतानी कर रहे हो, रुको मैं दिखाऊंगी तुमको, मस्का लगाऊंगी, ऐसा ना कि तुम अपनी शैतानी में खुद फंस जाओगे. लेकिन he is always after something. He is always after the wrongdoer, the wicked person. You may meet him in a by street. You may seek him in the square. जहाँ पर दो रास्ते आके मिल रहे हैं उसको कनेक्टर कहते हैं, बाय स्ट्रीट. वहाँ तुम उसको मिल सकते हो. या फिर जहाँ चार रास्ते आके मिल रहे हैं, मीन्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. जितना ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेशन होगा वहाँ पर तुम्हें McGravity मिल जाएगा. बट व्हेन अ क्राइम इज डिस्कवर्ड देन McGravity इज नॉट देयर. लेकिन जब क्राइम होता है तब McGravity तुमको नहीं मिलेगी वहाँ पर, बाय नो मीन्स. He is outwardly respectable. They say he cheats at cards, and his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yard. वो कहीं भी जाती है लेकिन उसके पाँव का निशान तुम्हें कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. शी इज सो कॉन्शियस. एंड व्हेन द लाडर्स लूटेड or the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another peck's being stifled, or the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis past repair, there's the wonder of the thing, macavity is not there. कहीं पर भी कुछ भी उल्टा सीधा हुआ तो मैकाविटी तुमको नहीं मिलेगा. कहीं पर किसी ने किसी कमरे में क्या बोले, कबर्ड टूट गया, कबर्ड का शीशा टूट गया, कहीं पर किसी कुत्ते का खाना किसी ने खा लिया, लेकिन मैकाविटी तुमको वहाँ कभी नहीं मिलेगा. मीन्स दिस कैट इज़ वेरी स्लाई, चालाक, बहुत ज़्यादा चालाक, सब करती है लेकिन पकड़ में नहीं आती. ढूंढते रह जाओगे लेकिन मैं नहीं मिलने वाली. समझ में आया? तो शी इज़ जस्ट लाइक दैट. सो दिस इज़ हाफ ऑफ द पोएम. गो थ्रू इट, try to understand each and every line. Don't leave anything, okay? I'll be back with you very soon with another half part of the poem. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.